So hey guys, today we're going to learn how to make a clickable image using HTML. So create a new file, or we can go to the blank.html. I've already created that, and then change the title to clickable images. Now save that and open it in the web browser. And now to do a clickable image, all we have to do is to make a link. We make a link by using the A and the href tag. The A tag means that this is a link, and the href means where, after we have clicked that thing, where it should go. So I wanted to go to my file, that is tables, or you can choose any file, but I'm going to go to tables.html or images.html. You can choose anything. I think we don't have this file, so we'll go to tables.html. That is okay. And now where we close the A tag, and now we already know how to make an image, so we will write img src, and then it should go to the images /html underscore img.png, that is the file name. And now this is going to be a clickable image. As you can see, this is the image. If we click on it, we will go to the tables.html. As you can see, we have gone to the tables.html file. So that's it. This is how to make a clickable image using HTML. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to make links using HTML. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.